Welcome to Bong Cookhouse. Today I will make Alu Bora or potato fritters. It's a snack that goes very well with tea and coffee, especially during winter and monsoon. It can be served as a side dish in the main course along with rice and dal. This mouth-watering recipe is quick to make. If you like this recipe, then please click the like, subscribe and bell icons below and leave a comment to encourage me. The ingredients we need are potato, 2 medium, sliced into thick crescent shape with skin or skinless. Other shapes can also be used. Skin is peeled off. Grated ginger, 2 tablespoons, grinded in mortar and pestle or hamandista. 3 tablespoons for thicker coating. Grated onion, 2 tablespoons, grated with a grater. 3 tablespoons for thicker coating. Salt to taste. Turmeric powder, 1½ teaspoon. Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1½ teaspoon. Regular red chilli powder is hotter than Kashmiri red chilli powder, so if regular red chilli powder is used, then 1 teaspoon. Green chilli paste can also be used. Fennel seeds or mori, ½ teaspoon. Carom seeds or jowan, ½ teaspoon. Nigella seeds or kalu jeera, 1 teaspoon. Cumin or jeera, 1 teaspoon. Chickpea flour or gram flour or besan, 1/3 cup. For thicker coating, 2/3 cup. Rice flour, 1/3 cup. This makes the pakora more crunchy. For thicker coating, 2/3 cup. Baking powder, a pinch. Mustard oil, 2 tablespoons for traditional aroma and flavor. Refined oil, 11 tablespoons. To make Alu Bora, we first have to make the binding mixture or batter. For that, add besan, 1/3 cup. Rice flour, 1/3 cup. Grated onion, 2 tablespoons. Grinded ginger, 2 tablespoons. Fennel seeds, ½ teaspoon. Carom seeds, ½ teaspoon. Nigella seeds, 1 teaspoon. Cumin, 1 teaspoon. Turmeric powder, 1½ teaspoon. Salt, 1 teaspoon. Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1½ teaspoon. And baking powder, a pinch in a bowl. Mix well. Add water little at a time to make a mixture. I've added about 9 tablespoons of water. Mix well and make a medium thick batter. For thicker coating, increase the amount of ingredients for batter and make a thick paste. To coat the potato slices with the batter, add the potato slices into the mixture. Mix well. To fry the potato pakoras, heat about 2 tablespoons of mustard oil and about 11 tablespoons of refined oil in a pan and bring it to fumes. The recommendation is always make a test pakora, taste it and add whatever is required. A pakora is good. To make the pakora, coat the potato slices thoroughly with the batter on both sides. Drop them one at a time into the boiling oil. Add potato slices as much as the pan can accommodate. Do not overcrowd. Drop in high heat but fry the pakoras in medium heat. Otherwise, from outside, the pakora will be crunchy but undercooked from inside. Pakoras should float in the oil. Flip sides frequently. Fry till golden brown. With a straining spatula, strain the oil and keep the pakoras on a tissue paper kept on a plate. This absorbs the excess oil. We can also keep them on the rack so that the oil drips into the pan. Repeat the process for other potato slices. Serve hot with salad or chaat masala or amchur powder or sauce or cilantro mint chutney. Please try it at home. Share it with your friends and family. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. The links and recipe are given in the description box. Bye for now. Stay healthy, eat healthy and enjoy life.